canceling the car insurance in UK is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can cancel your car insurance in UK. So first of all, you need to be clear that why or you are canceling the insurance. So there could be multiple reasons. So the first one could be you stop driving your car. The second one could be you are actually selling your car and you want to cancel the insurance. Yes, it is possible. So in order to do that, you need to make sure that from which company you got the insurance. You just need to go to the company's website and you need to find for the customer service option. You need to try to find, as you guys can see, I'm at this website. I will click on contact us. This is not the website in your case. Your website should be your company's website, and there you will be able to find their contact us, their phone number. You can try calling them. If they still don't pick up the phone, you can try emailing them. As you guys can see, I can email them in a formal way. So you just need to tell them that I want to cancel it and it will be cancelled. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.